Now being loaded, set, ready for racing, race number 2. Racing Jazz is started with a squeeze, break, quick little start. Bulbo Quincy is on the outside, in between horses, Beautiful Miss, Moose Cubado comes next, Mapaghinala, while Directors Hunter race the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch with a squeeze, Bulbo Quincy is on the outside, and in third comes Beautiful Miss, Moose Cubado is down in fourth, and in fifth, Mapaghinala, while Directors Hunter is still racing in less, back to the leader, squeeze, and on the outside, Bulbo Quest, then here comes Moose Cubado, now moving upon the outside, in between horses is Beautiful Miss, then comes Directors Hunter, while Mapaghinala now racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Beautiful Miss, Moose Cubado now moving upon the outside to take the lead. And in third is Bulbo Quest, Directors Hunter, squeeze, and Mapaghinala is still in last as they swing for home. We have Moose Cubado by about 2 lengths. Beautiful Miss in second. Moving upon the outside is Directors Hunter. Mapaghinala in between horses. Last 100 meters, we have Moose Cubado followed by Beautiful Miss, Mapaghinala, Directors Hunter, and finally it's Moose Cubado. The second is Directors Hunter, Mapaghinala. Then comes Beautiful Miss.
Alright, top choice, number 4, Moose Cubado, crossing the wire first, ridden by J.G. Zarano. Then masisigundo, yung numero 2, Directors Hunter, Mapaghinala, then Beautiful Miss. 4, 2, 3, 5, unofficial na datingan natin. Panoorin natin replay nitong